Le Fay by Cathy Delanssay in 60 by 60 cm, rounds version 1, starts with electric diamonds that we have used to fill in the fireflies that we see around the moon. These are the areas with the electric diamonds. You can also place it to outline her wings and give this picture a magical touch, and add some random areas with electric diamonds for a glittery effect. Le Fay by Cathy Delanssay, 60 by 60 cm rounds, version 2 special treatment now adds sapphire crystals that we have placed around the moon, and this is just to give that moon an extra glisten. So these are the dark blue crystals we see shining around the moon. So it's up to you which particular areas you'd like to place the sapphire crystals on, but a recommendation is to place it around the moon to get this similar look. Le Fay by Cathy Delanssay, 60 by 60 cm rounds, version 3 now adds morganite crystals, and the morganite is sprinkled on the pink areas, mainly the wings of the fairy, as well as her hair and portions of her dress. And as you can see, this just makes this image come alive and look utterly magical.